What do you do when you get home from vacation and there's no food at home? We're about to show you what we do.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
See, here you can see we're looking at avocados, but the avocados, as you can tell by this color, they're way too ripe. They're not ripe, I should say. Unripe.
Pipe them right?
Yeah, they're just not. So show me what you do.
This one you can't even pop it, but normally what you would be able to do is pop this little guy here, and depending on the color.
I think I found some. Here we're looking at salad. It's late at night, so we're trying to lower our carbs. So we're just going to do salad and a protein. So right now we're shopping to see what kind of salad. They already put away a salad bar, which is usually what we get. So now we have to pick
I like this one.
We have choosing salmon. And since we're both watching our macros, we look right here, 1.5 pounds roughly. We're going to do about 8 ounces tonight of this. And we got our salad there and 1 avocado, and that's our dinner. We're going to show you how we prepare that right away. So we just got back home from grocery shopping. We also just got back home from vacation. And what's our goal?
And from the gym.
And we want to lean down, right?
Yes.
So we're going to
New
watch.
Year's resolutions.
Right. Because we party a little bit too much over there. So what do you do when you get home and there's no groceries in the house? So we just showed you how we shop. We're going to make a quick little dinner together in the kitchen. So bear with us because there's going to be a lot of moving and stuff like that. But it should be fun.
Yeah.
So my baby's going to make the salad. She'll talk to you about that. Over here I got the salmon. I got 2 pieces, 8 ounces already cut. I'm going to season that. So all you're going to do is a little bit of olive oil on top, and then a little pink salt, and I'm going to use a little garlic salt, and a little chili powder.
I like to use these salad mixes. I prefer the sweet kale mix. This one in particular comes with poppy seed dressing, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries. You don't have to use it all, but it's just something to kind of give it flavor, a little crunch, a little texture, to keep your salads interesting.
You can find those at most stores now, right?
Yeah, you can get them at Mariano's, Meyer, Joel, wherever. They're really simple to make.
It makes it easy. That way you don't have to have all these ingredients in the house. You know, we get a lot of people who ask that too. You know, when you're in a commercial kitchen, you have everything already at your disposal. But at home, you might not be as lucky.
Exactly.
Like we eat these breakfast bowls every morning, and it has like a ton of ingredients. But most people don't have all that stuff. Now, pink Himalayan salt is really good for you. You know why, right?
No, I'm not into.
So pink Himalayan salt actually is a natural salt compared to like table salt, which is a processed salt. So it's actually better for your body. So what I'm doing is seasoning it always on both sides. I always leave the skin on because the skin is actually the fat layer, and that actually makes the salmon not cook all the way through 100%. So now it's seasoned on both sides. Like I said, a little chili powder, a little garlic salt, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and of course olive oil. Pan's already ready.
I have a question actually.
Sure.
And maybe most may have it. If we're not eating the skin, why do we actually salt the skin? Why do we
The
flavor
season actually will go through the skin. So when it's cooked through, you'll see I'll pull the skin off of it, and it's going to keep that moisture. You remember that dried salmon we had over there?
Yeah.
That's why it was dry.
Okay.
So now, as she's working on hers, I'll cook the fish.
Yeah.
So I got the pan, medium heat. Always medium. You don't really need it too high of a heat. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a drop, just to kind of go around the pan. I'm going to take the salmon, and always presentation side down, which, if you know, is the belly side. You're going to just lay it in there and cook for about 2 minutes. So you see how nicely golden brown it's starting to get? Well, we're not there yet. So you still gotta let it go for another minute. It's only been a minute on. See the beautiful salad she's making over here? It looks gorgeous. Now she's gonna add avocado. Most people don't know why we add avocado to most of our dishes. You know, right?
For one, I love avocado.
Alright.
Two, it's that good fat, that healthy fat. So it's always good to add healthy fats to your diet in general, especially for women. It allows for the normal hormonal balance. So one of the things that you kind of often hear when people are dieting is that they like to cut out their fats. And for a woman to have a normal hormonal balance, maintain your cycles and good skin and all that good stuff, you need healthy fat. So avocado is actually the one source of fat that they would say babies can actually live on just avocados alone because it really provides all the nutrients that you need.
See, there's always factoids. So you see how she's making a salad? Now, also, one thing we did not say is the oven's already at 400 degrees because you can't finish this thickness of the salmon just in your plate, in your skillet, I should say, because it'll just take too long. So as this cooks, you can see nice. It's almost time to flip. Once I flip it and put it in skin, I'm going to throw it in the oven. And I'm going to throw it in the oven for only 3 minutes. Then I'm going to bring it out and I'm going to finish it with a nice little sauce. Now you might be asking, well, how do you make a sauce at home? It's pretty simple. All you take is a little bit of butter and a little bit of lemon. We're going to make a lemon butter sauce to go against our nice little salad that we have created right here. Seriously. So now, it's time to flip. Always lean your pan down so the oil doesn't splatter in your face. You might ask how I know that, because I've actually had it hit me in the face and actually burned my whole hand. That was when I was in culinary school. That's perfectly brown salmon. One thing that I specialize in is seafood. I hate bad seafood. Now I'm going to throw it in the oven. Like I said, 3 minutes and finish it when it comes out. We're going to baste it with a little bit of butter, about a tablespoon. Be careful, it does splatter a little bit, but not a lot. You're going to add some lemon juice. Using the butter. Again, basting. And there you have it. You're going to let this rest for 2 minutes. Now the question that was asked is, what do you do with the skin, right? So you're going to have to take your spatula again, flip it over. Look what just happened. The skin naturally comes off because your salmon is perfectly cooked. If it doesn't come off all the way, you just take your spatula and run it down the side nice and gentle like that. And there you go. Now carefully flip your fish back. And there you go. Let it rest a little bit. The sauce is already in the pan. We're going to drizzle it right over our salad and we're done. So the way it looks like finished, salmon goes like that. You take your sauce, drizzle it just a little bit on top. Now for the test.
That's your test. Perfect.